The Journey to Fluent English, a story of learning and success. Chapter 1. The beginning of the journey. Arjun, a 22-year-old from a small town in India, had always dreamed of speaking English fluently. He knew that good English skills would help him get better job opportunities, communicate with confidence, and achieve success in life. However, learning English seemed like a big challenge. He had studied English in school, but he could barely speak a full sentence without hesitation. Whenever he tried, he felt nervous, and people would often correct him. This made him lose confidence. One day, Arjun saw a job posting for a position at a multinational company. The salary was great, but the requirement was fluency in English. He felt disappointed, but instead of giving up, he decided that it was time to master English once and for all. He told himself, "I will learn English step by step, and I won't stop until I become fluent." Chapter 2. Finding the right method. Arjun knew that traditional methods like memorizing grammar rules and vocabulary lists were not enough. He needed a more practical approach. He started researching and found a simple 5-step method to learn English effectively. 1. Listening. Surround yourself with English through movies, songs, and podcasts. 2. Speaking. Practice speaking daily, even if you make mistakes. 3. Reading. Read English books, articles, and newspapers. 4. Writing. Write daily to improve sentence formation. 5. Thinking in English. Stop translating from your native language and start thinking in English. With this plan in mind, he was ready to start his journey. Chapter 3. The Power of Listening. Arjun began by focusing on listening skills. He knew that before a child learns to speak, they first listen to the people around them. So, he started watching English movies with subtitles. At first, it was difficult to understand everything. The actors spoke too fast, and many words were unfamiliar. But he didn't give up. He watched the same movie 3 times. First, with subtitles in his native language. Second, with English subtitles. Third, with no subtitles at all. Slowly, he started recognizing words and phrases. He also listened to English songs and tried to understand the lyrics. One day, while listening to an English podcast, he heard the phrase, "break a leg." He was confused. Why would someone say that? Does it mean to actually break a leg? He searched online and found out that break a leg means good luck. This made him realize that English has many idioms and expressions, which made learning even more interesting. Chapter 4. Speaking without fear. The biggest challenge for Arjun was speaking English confidently. He was afraid of making mistakes and being laughed at. But then he read a quote. The expert in anything was once a beginner. He understood that making mistakes was a part of learning. He decided to speak English every day, no matter what. Since he had no one to practice with, he started talking to himself in English. He would stand in front of the mirror and introduce himself. "Hello, my name is Arjun. I live in India. I love learning English." At first, it felt awkward. But with time, he became comfortable. He also joined an English-speaking group online where people from different countries practiced English together. Speaking with strangers was tough, but he soon realized that everyone was learning, just like him. One day, he met a friend from the UK in the group. The friend corrected his pronunciation and taught him new words. This helped Arjun improve his accent and fluency.